Have him sit on your lap.
No,
Whoa!
come here. Sit on my lap.
Santa, tell Santa what you want for Christmas.
Look at Santa Claus.
Who's here?
Hello, Noah. Have you been a good boy this year?
Who's there?
Ho, ho, ho.
You wanna go sit on
You
his
better
lap?
tell him what you want, or you're not
No.
gonna have anything for Christmas.
You have to tell Santa what you want for Christmas. Do you want Daddy to come with you?
What do you want for Christmas?
I don't like to.
Well, Louise will.
Eloise, do you want to sit on Santa's lap?
Call her over, Santa.
Come here.
Sure, you got a
Louise.
candy cane?
I have a candy cane for you.
Noah, do you want candy?
You want candy?
Santa has candy for you. Go over by Santa. You get candy.
Here, go see.
Candy canes are good.
I get
Does
Here, come here.
does that sound look kind of familiar?
Oh.
Santa has some candy for you.
Hello, Noah. What do you want for Christmas?
What do you want for Christmas? You want toys?
What kind of toys?
What kind of toys do you want?
Do you want robots?
Do you want a dragon?
You want a pet?
cars?
Do you want candy?
Do you want candy?
Well, Santa's got to know.
You have to tell Santa what you
Are
want.
you sure you don't want a candy cane?
Would you rather write Santa a letter? Here, look. Want the candy cane? You can take the candy cane now.
Here.
No. Do you want me to take it for you? Here. Look. There it is.
Oh.
Is that candy cane from the North Pole?
You don't think so?
My elves made it.
Does the elves make the candy cane? No. The original always over here. Inside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here, you want to go see Santa?
Oh.
It's okay.
Next year, Santa.
It's okay.
Jeffy, come here.
Okay, say bye to Santa. He has to go
Okay,
visit other
Santa's got to
kids,
go
Noah.
feed his reindeer.
Say bye, Santa.
I guess he doesn't know what you want for Christmas. Here, go.
That's Santa Claus.
Santa Claus. Go say goodbye to Noah. Go shake his hand.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Can you shake Santa's hand? Can you give him a high five? High five, Santa. Knuckles.
Next.
No? Okay. You can just wait.
Okay, goodbye, Santa. Thanks for stopping.
That was so funny.